Hey guys, how are you? Teacher Joel talking about the TH sound. Let's check some words starting or ending with the TH sound. Let's check some words ending in TH. With, both, 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 north, north, north is a cognate, not necessary to translate. South, south, is a cognate, not necessary to translate. So, north, south, bath. Now, let's check some words starting with TH sound. Thin, think, The pronunciation is similar. Thin, think. Thanks, or thank, as in thank you. Three, you have the word tree, and the word three. Throw, Let's check some examples. I live with my family. I like both. Let me think. Thank you. Thank God. Thanks. I am thin. He is from North America. I am from South America. I am from South America. Her name is Beth. Let's connect North and America. North America. South America. Connect South America. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe. See you soon.